The Red Stripe IFAK, ambidextrous, zipperless, slim profile, and ruggedized. Attach the IFAK shell to your gear via the 2 belt loops or using the MOLLE system. The unique nature of this IFAK allows for ambidextrous pull tabs to deploy your tourniquets to either side. Deploy on the left, deploy on the right. As you can see, your tourniquets don't come out all the way, so they don't fall out and are ready to access. Grab and deploy your tourniquets from either side. Your inner sleeve is also ambidextrous. It has 1 loop on the right and 1 loop on the left. Remove the inner sleeve from either side. Use the pull tab to open the inner sleeve. The inner sleeve has 2 sections, one for bleeding, one for the airway. We will show you what we have in our Red Stripe IFAK kit. 1 6-inch ACE bandage, 1 hemostatic gauze, and 1 S-rolled gauze. For your airway, 1 needle for chest decompression, 1 Sharpie marker, 1 NPA and twin chest seals. In addition, you have a TCCC card located in the mesh under your airway section. You also have an area in the mesh where you can secure your pill pack. Once you've packed your inner sleeve, you'll fold it over and pull until you attach the Velcro. Then tuck the tongue under the elastic strap. Once this is ready to go, you'll pack your tourniquets. Take the strap and push it all the way down until you can grab it on the other side. Once you've done that, insert your tourniquet. The opening of the tourniquet should go towards the inside of your IFAK and pushed all the way down. Once it's all the way down, you'll apply the Velcro to the inner Velcro pouch. Once you tuck that in and close it, your pull tab is secure. You'll do the same on the opposite side. Once both of your tourniquets are secure, then you can take the inner sleeve, feed it in, apply it up against your chest, and push it all the way through. The last step is to take your trauma shears, slide them in, and secure them with the Velcro strap. Your Red Stripe IFAK is now properly loaded and ready for use. Thank you for your attention.